Okay, hello everyone, I'm Daniel and today I'm going to show you how to create the lead magnet funnel step by step in Kartra. And you should stay till the end when I will give you a top tip how to always increase the conversions of your landing page or your squeeze page. So I'm in Kartra now and we're going to build this lead magnet funnel. That means we're going to have a page where our potential customers will be able to get something for free in exchange for their email address. So I'm in Kartra now. It's all-in-one marketing tool. It's really powerful, and sometimes could be overwhelming and complicated, but we're going to do it step by step and start with the easiest things. First, to create this lead magnet funnel. So and before we start, I want to give you a quick tip. Always have the copy in hand before you create the funnel because it's easier. So, an example, I have the copy of how the landing page will look like. That's really important if you want to do a faster start and do it faster, because there is one side of the brain when you are one side of the brain is working when you are creating the copy, and it's completely different when you create a funnel. And the main difference is when you will need to wait for certain steps and the mind will have breaks. So I have created hundreds of funnels, close to 300 funnels. So this is my top tip. So first we're going to create a new page, and this is why I really like Kartra. It has a lot of templates. So you see, you can have the live event pages, product launches, webinar registrations, and I really like this one, the long sales pages. They're really interesting. You can build a whole page, and example, if these are the color that you want. They have even longer ones. So now we're going to go with the squeeze page, and if you're just starting, it's best to pick someone that you like and work it from there. If you have created many dozen of funnels and landing pages, this is not your first rodeo, then fine, sure, you can do it. But now we're going to choose squeeze page and see what we like, whatever you like. So I like the picture to be on the right. Find something interesting, what will work. See, there are a lot of templates with videos, without videos. Okay, I like this one. Select it. And boom, I'm going to launch the builder. Experts, bio, templates, squeeze. Page, category. No category, no size. This is used for you to be able to create similar pages. An example, if you have one website, you will have the same header, footer, tracking codes, pixels, SEO data like favicon or social media image. We're going to create it. And if you're a starter, I would suggest for you to work from a template. If you're not a starter, then you will use a blank page, and most of the time you will work with these components and sections. First, you need to add components like columns, 100%, 50, double 50 or whatever. And then you're going to put some sections. And there are a lot of templates, features, content. So take the time and check all those templates. So we are now going to use it, and it's always so good to have the copy. As I said, we say this is a free download. Go into here, and you need to click this text, paste, free download. Then we're going to say bio templates for experts. And one top tip, in example, if I just paste it here, you see the formatting will not be fine. But this is a top tip. You can hold Shift, Command and V, or on PC Shift, Control and V, and you will keep the formatting. You see, it was easy. Then we have the extra text, creating a compelling professional narrative for your website. I will copy this, post it. So here we have the image. We can change the image. I have already created a mockup in Canva. We will talk about that in another tutorial. I'm just going to image selected, upload image. Okay, this is it. So this is the PNG and JPEG file. It's already optimized. If you want me to show you how to optimize images for the web, let me know. I will do another tutorial. I'm going to select it, confirm, then apply. Boom. This is it, and this is why I like Kartra, so you can be really flexible. You see, other softwares are not allowing this to be done easy, like full image. Let's increase it to 100. Then we do not need this list, these bullet points. In this case, because our copy is like that. Other than that, it's very important to have some bullet points. So what I want to do, if I can, I will try to move it. If you want to move it, you need to select this drag and drop and move it and find these lines, and when it will become green, you will paste it there. It's easy drag and drop. This is really one of the top features for Kartra. So I'll go here, and then I want to move the text on the left. So I will drop it here. Boom. This is it. So I can, this is centralized. I can go to the left if I like. I can decrease the size or increase. So you see, I created a column tab, and I can do like this. It will be smaller, or I can make the picture even bigger. So this is really nice. But in this case, I want to be 50-50, say 50% and 50%. What I want to do is to decrease the column width from the side. Why? Because we want to make this mobile friendly. So here it will be easier. So here you can see how it will look on mobile. You see now it's better. And this is why I also like Kartra. You can check tablet and desktop. So always create mobile first, because now almost most of the traffic will come from the mobile phone. Sorry. So I don't like the length of this button. So the download now for free will be the call to action button. So go to text, change it. You can do it regular or bold. I like bold. Apply. Then I go back to style, and see you can play with how large the button can be applied. Giant or large. In this case, I will try with giant, and I will centralize it. Boom. You will go with full. It's too big in my opinion. Giant. Apply. Here you can change the color if you like. But I don't want to change the color. I kind of like it, but let's make it congruent. Apply. That's perfect for me. You can do shadows, you can do margin, button size, everything. You can also. So this is apply. And now we are almost ready. If we are building for real, we would put some footer, some disclaimers potentially. So what you need to do now, you're going to publish live, and you see here you can add a custom domain. If you want me to create a tutorial for how to add custom domains, I will do it. Just write me down in the comments. It's okay. I will save URL, and I will open it into a new page. And it looks fine. And this is right, because you can preview it right away. And I'm not sure that this will be always above the fold. It's really important when everyone opens this to see it without the need to fold. This is a classic marketing example. That's why what I will do, I will edit this whole section. I will do it here and click OK. I need to move myself in order to be able to work.
This is it. There is the padding. It's 60 pixels on the top. I will do it, let's see, 20. Even that is too much. I'll go 10, and we can leave it at 20 at the bottom. So this is it. Should be fine. Here we also have too much padding. 50. I will go with 20. Apply. Now it should be better. We're gonna check it in mobile. In mobile, it looks like that we need to add a little bit more padding. So that's why we're going to go here and add some margin actually. Make it 20. Apply. Boom. That's it. In mobile, it looks better. I like it. So this would be some footer and some next pages, but now we are fine. We can decrease it if you like, but I'm happy with how it is. Now we need to tell Kartra or any kind of software that what will happen when they will open the button. And this is the top tip which you are waiting. I will tell you now, not till the end, as a thank you for staying here. If you put a form here, they to write the email right away, you will have less conversion. You need to have a button and to be popped up. Why? Because people like to be consistent with their previous action. So if they click it and the button shows up a form to fill in, the chances are much higher that they will fill in the email, and that is what we want. It's nicely explained in the influence book by Robert Cialdini or Cellini, so I highly recommend it. So Kartra is really powerful. You can do everything: video player, product checkout, content box, scroll, link to another page. But we download a file. But here we want to pop in an opt-in form, and we still haven't created a opt-in form. And I will use this as a placeholder. I will drag and drop it here. So this is for the thank you page. So I will say here, enter your email and get instant access to the expert bio templates. Got it. This is not needed. I will change the picture. We'll use the picture that we already have. Click apply. Then we do not need this. We do not need this. And this is a placeholder. You see, we do not have a form. That's why we're going to create. We can create if you go back and find the forms, but we are just going to save this, publish live. Always click publish, publish, or save when you work. This is it. So now we will edit this form. We're going to here edit, configure, and create a new opt-in form. It will be called experts bio templates opt-in. This is only a placeholder. Create, boom, apply. It says error, of course, because it's not configured. We're going to configure it. So if we open it now and go, you can see, if I click here, the form will come up. Okay, now the form, it's not how I want it to look like, but we will fix that now. We are ready, and next we need to create the thank you page. That means where they will go after. They will move myself page, thank you page, and just a simple one. It's fine. I like simple thank you pages, so let's go with this one. Select launch builder. Thank you, experts bio templates. Again, we do not have category, no site in particular. Create. We're going to publish it, and we say success. You are all set.
success. Here we can put our logo. So I will upload the logo now. Boom. This is it. Select it, confirm, apply. We don't like the size. We can decrease it, make it 5% or bigger, whatever you prefer. Let's go with 7%. I like it to be at 5%, or in this case, it's not needed actually. It's not needed. Success, you're all set. You can access free copy of the video template by clicking the button below. Boom. And also I can add the image. I'll go here to components, images, and drag and drop this image here. Now I will change it and use this one, apply. So for people to know that they are the right thing. This is too large. I will decrease it, make it around 45%, edit style, go to center, apply. This is it. And now we can customize this button. In this case we have two options. The first one is to download a file, and the second one is to link to another page. So if I want, I can download a file and I can upload a file, no category in particular, and manage upload a new file. But I like my files to be at one place, so this way we are going to say link to another page, another Kartra page or external custom URL. And now I will take the link here. It's actually on Google Drive, copy link. I'm going to paste it and apply. Lovely. I'm going to publish it live. Get the page link and oops, I'm going to print and go to, you see, and download now for free. It will open here. You see, this is the templates. If you want to get these templates, you can go to my website and you'll access these templates. I can make another video how I've made this format, this wonderful document. Okay, closed. This wasn't changed, so I want this to be. Click here to access the template because it's not a download. You always need to think about the end customer. Apply. Okay. They don't want to be being light, so I will change the color to be similar. Boom. And I'm going to publish live. So now what we need to do next, we need to create the form. I'm going to return to dashboard, exit. So what we have done now, this is previous one, I will delete it in order not to mix and make troubles. So we have the landing page or the squeeze page, and we have the thank you page. So now we need to convert them, to connect them, to let know Kartra that we want to do. We are going to do it with the form. This is the form. And in Kartra you can configure almost everything like this. There are steps that you need to take. So form fields, in this case we want just an email. Email is a must. This, we want the call to action to be downloaded now for free. We can do it and change it later, but I will do it here. Save, boom, save next. Single opt-in or double opt-in. Double opt-in means that they will need to confirm their email address before they get it, but in this case we're going to go with a single opt-in. Success page is Kartra page, no site, and it's the thank you page. The success page means where they will go after they will enter their email. We have connected both pages. Save next, save next. So automations, this is really important. So yes, we want to assign a tag, no category, and we're going to create a new tag.
experts bio templates opted in. The description is the same, no category for now. If you have many tags, it's good to have categories. Create, add, and subscribe to a list. Yes, subscribe to a list. Create a new list. Daniel transfer PJ full leads list. Well, create. So now I know they're in the full leads, but they're interested in expert business. If I have another lead magnet which is related to another topic or area or segment, I know I can filter them easily. So subscribe to sequence. It's a good practice to let people to send the lead magnet via email as well, because not everyone will go to the thank you page. And we have two options to create an email sequence here or create in the My Communication tab. We will leave it here in order for me to show you how to do it with the emails. And in Kartra you can do almost everything 2 or 3 different ways. So sequences, let's talk about sequences. It's recommended for you to have 3 to 5 sequence of emails, like the first one to deliver the email, the lead magnet, the second one to introduce yourself, and the third one to make an offer or give more value, more videos, more tutorials, more templates. And it's really important to automate your business. I have seen someone are doing even 30 email sequence, but 3 to 5 it's some kind of best practice, and you can schedule them like every 3 days, every 5 days, every day, depends on your preferences. I will use it in another Kartra asset. Save and next, boom, this is done. Now we'll go to make my pages again, create this squeeze page and check them on the form once again. We have to go back and forth. Got it. So we will now go here and download now for free. Link, it's an opt-in form. I don't like this. This is too big, probably. So we will decrease it to 1 rem. Line height to 1 em. It's not good. So this is HTML and CSS, this rem or em. So we will leave it for another day. This is better. You see, we have mistake in spelling, and this was Kartra added recently, this grammar check. Previously it was not possible, you have to do it separately. Also, this is too big. I'm going to decrease it, make it 50%, go to columns. Again, we are going to squeeze it even more because we want this to be mobile friendly. Got it. So here you have the GDPR components, and we have already done this. The core. Now we have, this is important to select the right phone. Apply. This is it. Fields. You can see how the fields will look like. The button, effects, style. You can customize pretty much everything. Fields, and that is it. Apply. Let's do it once again to apply it. Apply. Now we are going to publish live. Get the page link. Boom. Now we're going to test it. I'm going to open temporary email. It's a nice service that I want to use when I'm testing funnels. So it will create a temporary email. Otherwise, my email or the emails of my team would be flooded with subscriptions. Boom. Download now for free. I'm going to enter this email. So I would click. We can delete this one if you want, but now it's like this. Download now. And you see, it goes to the thank you page. Perfect. It works.
Click here to access the templates. Boom, here are the templates. So we can download it and we can do whatever we want. Boom. So I'm happy. Final things that we need to do is always publish live. The next thing that we need to do is to create the email. Exit, my communications. So now we are going to go to sequences and we're going to create a sequence. Boom. Delivery of experts bio templates. Public description will be the same. Loading the sequence builder, and here is where I told you that you can have multiple emails, like 5, 6, if someone is doing even 30. There is a small tutorial, but we don't want. So here you can send an email, you can drag and drop, and you can drag several emails, add, remove text, unsubscribe, subscribe to list, split, wait. So it's really advanced, but we are not going to use that. We are going just simply to edit. So when the what will be subscribe lead, I want to, maybe I will change the opt-in form. I want the tag, no category, I will use expert bio. So when they get this tag, this sequence is all started. That's the starting rule. Then we say send email right after previous step. This is what I told you with the sequences. You can wait a number of days, or you have something which is live, like a live event. You can do execute on specific date. We go next. Any time of day you can specify what time of day, but I want to be right away after the name of the broadcast, delivery of the experts bio templates. Boom. Next, it's the email, sender name. You can Daniel from Transfer VG, and this is the email. We just set it up currently. Go next. Anyone reaching this step, add GDPR. Next. Single email. We don't want to split test it. And now it's finally the content. So I told you, you need to have everything ready in order for you to be. So here I will open the email. So I will open the email, and the first email, the goal is to deliver the resource to your subscribers. Deliver the resource to your subscribers, and supposed to receive in exchange for something for your email list. You also prime them for what's coming in the next sequence. This is the title. Check the title. The title is really important because that will make them open or do not open. This is specific. You have 41 short and long. 41 short and long fill in the blanks templates. Okay, so thanks for signing. I will just copy paste this. Thanks you for signing for the copy of the bio templates for experts. After you go with it, we tell them what it's going to do for them. You'll be able to create a compelling professional narrative for your website, social media such as LinkedIn, speaker, introduction, whatever purpose you like. If you weren't already excited, I hope you're now. Here is a link to access. If you have any questions after you go through them, I want to hear. Just reply to this email and I'll be happy to help. This is really also important. You let them know what is going to happen next. So whether they should stick around. And if you have different types of lead magnets and different pillars of your business, you can tell them what they can expect. So in the future emails, you'll be seeing more of my go-to resources and up-to-date best practices related to infopreneurship and expertise related digital businesses. It's not the digital businesses. So keep an eye. Excited to have you on board. Again, we need to get the link Here is the link. I will say get link. And it's important to be anyone with the link can view this page. That's why we use Google Drive. Copy link, done. And now we say here is a link to access it. Create the link, boom, okay. And also I want to give them 2 chances to download it. Here it is, okay. And if you want to make it even better, you can enter an image here, add an image, because people want to click on images and you will put the link. But this time we're not going to do it, and this is my way of speaking. I want fun, I want informal, direct communication. If you want, you can delete this, or you can make it more formal. And I always answer all the questions that I get from email. Any kind of question that you might have, even if it's the most complicated, I always answer the first question for free. Okay, now we can send a test email. Send a test email. Again, we are going to use this test email. Boom, send a test email sent. So now we're going to wait for it. Always test every day. You always have to test. We're going to wait a little bit. Yeah, so we got your 41 short and long, fill in the blanks beyond template. It's so specific, they will open it. Thanks for signing for copy of the, it looks fine. Everything's fine. I will just check the links in new tab. Boom, this is it. I love it. This is it. Perfect. That's it. So now we're going to say next. No spam. New automation. We do not need new automation. It's complicated, it's not for this day. I'm going to activate it and connect it. Perfect. I love this. And now every time when will enter an email, he or she will get the series of emails. So if you want, we can add another email and wait for example 3 days, but in this case we're not going to do it. Done and exit, and congratulations, we are ready. One final test. We're going to open the page, the landing page. Boom. Go here. I will use again my temporary email. Download now for free. Enter the email. Download now. And it says success. Click here to access the templates. Boom. That's it. And also we are going to receive the email, which is perfect. Back to list. We should probably receive another email now, but we'll need to wait. So that was it. Hope you loved it. If you want to get a free training, you can go to my website transformdigi.com or go to the links in the description. There I have a link how you can make sure that your course or any kind of digital product will always sell. A lot of more resources are upcoming. So, in example, we could complicate this. So instead of the thank you page, to have a tripwires, to make some kind of offer, then to have an upsell, downsell, you can do whatever you want. So subscribe. I will do as much as possible. In the future, I will show you a lot of more resources. Let me know in the comments, do you like this kind of long form tutorial step by step, or you want some tips and tricks? And till next time, bye.